gonna be in the frame?
Hey guys, so we just got this new REI Grand Hut 4 and we're going to practice setting it up for the first time. Instead of an unboxing, it's going to be like an unbagging. Alright, will you grab it there, Noah? Alright. So, looks like this is the tarp for the top. And then
This looks like the main body.
That's the main body. Here's the pole. So what we need to do first is we need to put that and lay it out in the four corners. Let's do it right over here. Alright.
So this is the bottom.
So let's have this corner,
This corner.
here. Pull your corner tight. Push that in, pull it all the way tight. Tighter. There we go. Pull it this way back a little bit. There we go. How about right there? And then pull it out like that. There's another one for you. See how long this takes us. First try. All right. Looks like it should be a good size for a tarp, or for a, having a big cot inside of it. So there we go. Got that corner in.
There we go.
All right. So they're color coded on each corner. We got browns on the back here, and then reds on the front. Right? All right. Next thing is our poles. It's said to make the poles and then fit them together and pull the tent up to the meet it. So these are kind of, look at these poles. They're kind of nice. They're all aluminum, not like crappy or cheap fiberglass.
Whoa,
Oh, and it's all one thing. That's kind of
cool.
So it's all together. It's not.
Trim pieces.
Yeah. It's not
Whoa,
separate.
there's an end piece.
All right.
Look at that.
Okay, I think that's in case you ever break it. That's called a repair sleeve.
Oh.
So you can like slide it between the different poles. All right. So scoot it back a little bit. Have you noticed anything about this? The colors on these poles yet, Aunt Noah?
They're color coordinated.
Look at that. It's a red pole there, and then there's red parts on each part of the tent. So we're going to take the reds to the reds and the browns to the browns.
So, like this. That, we had it right, yeah. No, you gotta flip it this way.
Bent that way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Sounds good. You got that right? Pretty easy. That one's in. That one's in.
Now that one's gonna be fun.
So this guy actually looks pretty easy.
Yeah, it's not like super tight.
That is easy. Alright, so our next job is to come here, and it says to grab in the middle and lift it up. So, looks like clip here, and they go like that, like that. You have some clips on your side.
Oh, whoa. There we go.
Alright, and so then you start reaching in and grabbing these
Black clips.
clips from the side. See how quick this thing goes up. Clipping up pretty easy, I think, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright.
This second. Oh.
Want to hand to that one? There you go. There's our last one.
Woo!
That's pretty easy.
Yeah.
I'm 5'10", so I'm going to go inside and stand in here.
It's roomy.
I've still got a whole hand width, that much above my head in there, to move around. Let's zip this up and see what it looks like all zipped up. That's a pretty sweet little tent. So our next job is we're going to put the fly on and see what it's like. Alright. So I bet it's color coordinated like, so here's a brown one.
Here is another brown one. So these are the opposite corners.
Oh yeah, so that one's red. So I got reds over here. Alright, give me the red. The red clips go in the red spot.
No, these end pieces.
Alright, so you take this side now. Walk it over it. Walk it over the... Keep walking it. Red goes in red. And then brown clips into brown. Alright.
That's really easy to set up.
That's really easy to set up.
I thought that'd be so much hard. Oh, there's also, if you want to, it looks like there's like things on the side to like...
Oh yeah, so there's some ways to guide out. Let's check it out here and get this pulled out. A little vestibule. Just for gets and shiggles.
Wow.
Right? Looks like it is. So what was that? Like 2 minutes? That was easy. That was a pretty easy setup.
Size of a tent.
All right, so we're gonna stop it here, and we're gonna go take the tarp off and see if it'll fit the cot inside. But so far, super easy to set up, super quick. All right, so you'll see here. You want to clip that in there for me, Noah?
Oh.
That's the red to the red, and that's the way it works on the. There we go, and you can tighten it down, right?
Yeah.
You just pull on it and get it a little tighter. Works good.
Yeah.
And then over here on the sides, you've got some ways to guy it out in case it's really windy. And then up here we got another guy spot. And then up here, there's a way to pop it open
To get more air.
to get some more airflow in there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so brown to brown, red to red, pretty simple. Let's go for a look on the inside with the tarp on. Can you unzip it for me, Noah?
Yeah.
So this looks pretty adequate to just to like store stuff. You can store backpacks down here and stuff like that. All right, we're gonna go inside and see what we got here. All right, so this is it with the cover on. It's got like a little spot up here to vent it.
Also, just
If you want.
stuff could fit up here.
Yeah, you could actually, even if you wanted to, with the rain fly on, you could vent this out and put stuff up on the plastic if you needed to. Alright, so look at that. So if you want to like get the vent open, got a little Velcro sticky thing. Yeah, got some fresh air coming in. Alright. It's got some pockets over here in the corner. Little ways to hold back the doors over here. Some little hooks up in the corner, so if you're like hitting at a flashlight or a headlamp. Pretty good size in here. Venting it out. Even got some more little clips up here on every corner. So you could make like a gear loft or bring a gear loft of some sort. That'd be cool. Alright, as you can see now, we have removed the tarp and we have put one of our camp time cots in here. You can fit it all the way. This is an extra large, extra long wide cot. Fits a big dude like me. There's still plenty of room in here.
Probably enough to fit two.
You can see
And a hallway.
you could probably fit 2 cots in here. You can fit another one over here and still have room in the middle to walk back and forth. Now I will say this cot is fairly long, so it comes right up to the edge. And if it was a rainstorm, and you'd need to guy it out, but you can fit a whole tarp in here, whole cot in here. It's a pretty cool little tent. Taking it out to Utah, and we'll tell you how it worked out after our trip.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody.